Hello. Remember, we are in week 11 in unit 3. Today is day 2, Tuesday, April 27th. Let's see what you have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have 2 assignments in Async. Your first assignment is MEL. You will do the grammar coach, superlatives and adjectives and adverbs, and do exercises 1 and exercises 2. Your next assignment is paraphrasing. Yesterday, we went over paraphrasing. Remember, paraphrasing is when you change something to sound like you. Now, always remember, you click My Document and then you click Edit. Now, here it is. You have the original text and you change it to sound different. Okay, you can use different words and you'll paraphrase. So that is what you will do with these sentences. Okay, to your own words. And click submit. That's it for async. It's Tuesday. We have sync together as a class. So we will do speaking practice, present perfect and present perfect progressive, and we'll do some sorting details. Okay, we'll do sorting details. All right, and you guys will chain group words together. And that's it for today. Good luck.